Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you some more of my acrylic pours, and we're going to try a couple of new methods today. Mainly a swipe method for the background. You can see I'm adding in some yellow ochre and using a plastic sheet to swipe it. And then I'm adding in my colors. We're using a gray, midnight blue, ochre, orange, burnt sienna, and a metallic rust color. So here you can see I'm swiping, and I flipped that cup up so it made this really cool organic shape, and I really like what's going on there. This one was, I tried the blue in the background and it was a little bit of a fail. You'll see here in a minute. I like this part, I like what's going on here, but the blue was just awful. And so we had to make some adjustments. I tried blowing it out. I didn't like that at all. That just made it more messy. And so I ended up just adding some more colors and swirling it around, and then I really liked it. So we're back to the yellow again, which I really like this. And watch how I flip this cup, just swoosh and boof real quick. And look, it just makes these super organic shapes that are really cool. Adding in some more of that green color and some rust. They really feel quite landscapey to me. And these are the final pieces. I hope you liked today's video. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I will see you next time. Have a good day.